Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I am going to show you what to do if your device is freezing. So in order to know how to fix this problem, we need to detect whether your device is frozen partially or fully. To do that, you'll have to press the combination of keys, which is Ctrl Alt Delete, and if you see this menu in front of you, that means that your device is frozen only partially. Now in such case, open the Task Manager. Then in the Task Manager, detect the application that is causing your device to freeze. Usually it will consume the most resources. In my example, I will pretend that this application is causing the laptop to freeze. So to switch it off, right click on it and select End Task. And after that, your device should start working normally. Now, if you weren't able to unfreeze your device this way, then you'll have to force restart your PC. To do that, hold down the power key until the power on your power button goes off. Until the light on your power button goes off. Excuse me. And once your laptop is turned off, press the power button again to restart it. Now, if you weren't able to turn off your laptop by holding the power key, then the only thing that you can do is unplug the charging cable from your laptop and let it stay like this for at least a couple of hours until your device discharges and turns off automatically. After that, plug in the charging cable again and then power your device on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.